In this lesson, I will show you how to work with equation. By using equation tool, you can define your variable, your desired equation, or you can also add feature suppression. Suppose this is a simple part here, and if I want, I can use equation to drive the part. That means if I want to change few value for this part, I do not need to go inside any feature or inside any case. I just have to go to my equation tab, then I have to change my value, I have to change my variable, or I have to change my equation. In the left side you can see there is a equation folder here. I used few equation for this part, that's why it is showing this folder. When I expand this, you can see there are few variable here. So if I right click on this equation folder and if I select manage equation, you can see there are few variable here and there are few equation here. There are no feature suppression here. I will add this thing later and I will show you how to work with this feature. So first I have to define few variable, and with that variable I have to define the equation. Before I do anything, suppose if I change few dimension here, the base length, that means this is the base length, this is base length 250. If I put 300, and for the base width if I put 200, and if I press OK, you can see this has been changed, and you can see this is the equation. This is base length is 300, base width is 200. That means this part is equation driven part. That's why I can control with the equation. There are lots of use of this equation. Suppose if you work with a company where you have to do the same work again and again, suppose this is one model and different customer asks for different type of length, width and height for this product, so that you do not need to create all time this 3D part, you just have to create one time, then you can use this equation to make this part. So in the next lesson I will show you how do you define a variable and how do you make an equation.